Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer hickory smoked chicken wings. Let's begin. Okay, let's season the chicken wings. We're going to season the chicken wings. We'll need half tablespoon of salt. Half tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Half tablespoon of onion powder. And for the smoke flavor, we're using Hickory liquid smoke. We need 2 tablespoons. Take everything and mix it all together. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on, push the preheat button, and preheat it at 400 degrees. We'll be back. The air fryer's been preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the wings. First thing we're gonna do is spray some cooking oil. And let's put in the wings. Okay, we have all 13 wings in the basket. We're going to spray some cooking oil and put it in. Back to 400 degrees. For 22 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 11 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. We're just gonna spray a little bit more cooking oil and put it in for the last 11 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 22 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. Okay, let's check the temperature. And it's well above 165 degrees, so we're set. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer hickory smoked chicken wings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.